Swipe the screen from the left edge to the right. Tap PW. Drag the sample volume to the target position. Stretch or pinch 2 fingers to resize the sample volume. Drag the angle correction line, dotted line, to change the sample angle. Tap Update. Swipe left and right in the spectral region to change the PW gain. Swipe up and down in the spectral region to change the baseline. Tap the iTouch icon for automatic image optimization if you are unsatisfied with the manual adjustment. Tap the System Tools button, Setup, and Image for more parameters. Select a proper sweep speed. Tap the video camera icon to save a cine in real time during scanning. After freezing, tap the play button or drag the progress bar to review the current cine. Tap the video camera icon to save a retrospective cine. Tap the camera icon to save a still image.